Happy day 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm trying to fill out some paperwork before my dental appointment. Honestly, y'all, I don't remember the last time I made my eggs. But here we go. I need to hurry up because I have the dentist soon. But yeah, okay. Update, your girl has no cavities. But my lips are a little crusty musty. You can't see me, but honestly, this is gonna sound so gross, but basically it's story time of this chocolate and what it reminds me of.
Basically, someone gave us these chocolates and we put it in a drawer desk, and then the next day, we noticed, over time we noticed that there's bite marks on it, and so someone put a rat trap in another drawer, and then I cried because one day I opened the drawer and there was a mouse.
Ooh, it looks like a cheesette. It definitely tastes like Gouda. It's good though. I like it. I love my cheese. I also have my salad. So, just toss it in here.
And my apprentice is that why you came?
I'm still watching, by the way.
Why'd you drop it?
Yes. I've never met a Mandalorian.
So now it's spray.
Okay, that's really slow. Making sure he gets in all the little crevices. It's hard work right there. It's dedication face. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. Update, we took the wax off, but Nate had to leave since we're waking up early tomorrow. There's 1, 2, 3. Yeah. It's on my phone too. So it is midnight. I have to still pack, and I wanted to edit the vlog tonight so I could schedule it for tomorrow since I won't be home at all. So yeah, I'm just gonna end this vlog now. What's today? Thank you for watching Vlogmas day 20. Our boards are done. So, just have to do the bindings tomorrow morning. But yeah, bye. I said I was gonna edit my vlog, but it's 1 o'clock now and I have not packed or anything. Oh, I think we broke it. Bro. It's not good.